How to fix YouTube video automatic pause problem. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix the YouTube video automatic pause problem. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to check for these settings and make sure you have allowed all the necessary permissions for YouTube. In order to do that, open up settings in your device, tap on apps, then tap on see all apps, hit towards the top right, and in the search bar search for YouTube. Tap on it and that's gonna take you to its app info page. Here scroll down and tap on permissions. Under permissions, make sure you have allowed all the permissions for the YouTube application. After that, you can go back. Now head towards storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. This will remove all the glitches and junks from the application. That will help you solve the issue within the application. Once you have done that, now you can go back. After that, you have to check if there is any new update available for the application. If the application is missing out any updates, you may have facing such issue. So open a Play Store in your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar search for YouTube. If your application needs any update, there you will find update button. All you have to do is tap on it, and once the update is complete, you can go back. You can refresh the application and your problem will be solved. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.